jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys playing in a tree, laughing loud and swinging free. A branch went crack, they landed with glee. Careful now, monkeys, play safely. Three little monkeys riding on a bike. Down the hill they took a hike. One monkey slipped, what a funny sight. Slow down, monkeys, hold on tight. Two little monkeys splashing in the rain, jumping puddles again and again. One monkey slipped, what a silly pain. Dry off, monkeys, use your umbrella again. One little monkey tiptoed with delight, trying to stay quiet, hiding out of sight. He giggled softly, then jumped in fright. Bedtime, monkey, good night, good night. Five little monkeys tucked in tight, snuggled warm through the night. Mama smiled and turned off the light. Sleep now, monkeys, sweet dreams tonight.